Hey, Ralfy here, Ralfy Customs, how you all doing? 1st of July, time for a vlog. So we've got a Sissy bar to make for our Chris. I've marked out, I'm not playing cricket. Those who know, the Brits among us all know. I'm not going to play cricket against his bench. I think you'd struggle to knock the bails off, wouldn't you? I'm just marking out the shape of it now. I need to get the photo up to find the actual shape. But what I do is mark it out on the bench and then follow the lines. Make it in two halves. Make one half first, copy the other half. Copy the first half with the other half. I know what I mean. And we're using this fucking lovely, chunky, black steel, solid steel. Yeah. The picture he sent me has got a rounded top, which I'm going to struggle to recreate a likeness of in this material. I can't do a bend that tight, but I'll weld it up and round it off. And of course, we're going to be using the hot spanners. One of my favourite tools that don't get used that often. And that should all be a lot of fun. We're also coming to completion on the yokes. I've got to, if you followed the upside down wide glide Batman style front end video, you'll have seen my endeavours. The new bearings come, so we can fit the bearing. I might make a dust cap to cover it, I'm not sure. And we can fit the grub screws wherever I've put them. Don't tell me I've lost them. No, here they are. These M8 grub screws. Yeah. And that'll be that. I'm really looking forward to getting that all together and in the frame. And then we can look at sorting the front wheel fitment out. So first up, we're going to pull the top bit round. I've checked the photo and it wasn't how I thought it was. So I'm going to attempt to pull this round in tough fucking stuff. Really fucking tough stuff. Let's extend that handle out as far as it'll go. Methinks. And we'll have a walk around with it. If you can still see it. Yeah. Here we go. Nice and steady. Pull that round. And see where that gets us. Fuck, it took some bending. So now we've got that. Woo! I can mark these off using my template that I drew on. I can keep them even and get them lined up on the right height. A little bit higher, I fancy. Anyway, I can mark these off and I can bend them out using the hot spanner and the vise and get them about where we need them to be. There we go. Need to trim the ends. I'm going to check, see how it fits in the jig. Whether it needs squaring up. Either way, it's going to get. Yeah, it goes. Look, it fits in the jig. But I'm going to put a flat on the outside where it clamps, or the inside even, where it clamps, so it fits in the jig nicely for him. And there you go. That is going to be that. And there's the final finished ready for powder coating actually. It's not finished, it needs to be made shiny black. But there we go. Sissy bar's done. Chris.
That won't come off now.
This is Keith's 1971 electric guide in blue. You could have made a film about that, couldn't they?
I've just got to find neutral, I should get there eventually.
You'll do well if the 4-speed box is like mine. If you ever pull up in gear, you're fucking pulling off in gear, ain't you? And we're off. Me and Lizzo were out for a ride out, and we've happened across some friends. And here she is, look at that. That's like a Swiss fucking watch, isn't it? There's nothing wrong with that, is there? Mine don't sound that nice.
Have you seen the video? There's a shovel head in the background and the guy's playing
the guitar, yeah.
And it's in perfect
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
4/4 time, just going away and he's playing away doing
That's
this.
amazing. Oh, here we go, look. This is next day from Keith's beautiful, beautiful FLH. This is part of me slab yoke upside down part 2. If you follow me, you'll have seen the first part, and this is part of the second part. I'm making some spacers, but what I want to show is this Morse taper tool holder. Goes in your tool post, and you can fit whatever's got a Morse taper on the fucker. Now, I've centre drilled this steel, and I've used a centre in the tool holder to line it up. We're going to bore it out with a boring bar, so we ain't got to be spot on with this drill. It's just got to be good enough, like. And because of the tool holder, we can use a carriage feed. So we can wind that in, and we can click it on, and it'll go. All on its fucking own, lot. Nice and steady. I wouldn't walk away like, but you know. And we're going down to 50mm on here, and it's effortless. It's making a beautiful job. So there you go. So last job of the day. Done. Got to fit the wheel. If you follow my series, you'll see the forks being fitted in the yokes being fitted in the frame. There's 2 videos on it, the upside down front end. Can we do it, can't we do it? Thanks for watching. Check out my friends in the description below. Give them a sub, give them a like, tell them you came from me. Have a great weekend, everybody. Lots of love.